Good morning student. This is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. In last video I had discussed derivation of SOP expression using KMap. Now in this video I am going to discuss derivation of POS product of sum expression using KMap. So first we discuss the rules for POS reduction using KMap. The first, prepare the truth table for the function. After that, draw an empty KMap for 2 variable, 3 variable or 4 variable KMap as per the given function. Now fill the cell with the value 0 for which the output is 0. In SOP we fill the cell with 1 where the output is 1. It is just reverse of SOP. In POS we fill the cell with the value 0 for which the output is 0. Then we fill the rest of the cells with the value 1. Then mark the octet, quad and at last pair by encircling the value zeros. Where we encircled the values of 1, here we encircled the value of 0. Also check map rolling and overlapping groups and remove redundant groups if any. And at last and the reduced expression to get the final POS expression. So take an example. Reduce function f with 4 variable w, x, y, z is equal to pi 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10, 15 using KMap. In the SOP question, instead of pi there is a summation sign. Here it is pi sign. It means it is the question to simplify the POS. Okay. So since function f has 4 variable, so we will first create a 4 variable KMap having 2 to the power 4, that is 16 cell. Now see this 4 variable KMap. In the row it start with w plus x, then in SOP it is w bar into x bar, but here it is start with w plus x, then in next column w plus x complement, then third column is w complement plus x complement, and the last row is w complement plus x. Now come to the column wise. The first column is y plus z, the next one is y plus z complement, the third one is y complement plus z complement, and fourth one is the y complement plus z. Also one thing keep in your mind, the numbering of cell. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, then 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. Now fill the cell marked with subscript 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10 and 15 with value 0 as per given in your question. And after that fill the rest of the cell with value 1. I have also filled the zeros first and after that 1. Now we will mark the octet, quad and pairs in KMap. For looking at the KMap, we can tell that there is no octet, so we will look for quad. The KMap has quad, so we will mark it. Here M0, M1, M4, M5 marked as quad. Now we will look for pairs. We got two pairs here, that is M5 and N7, and second one is the M7 and N15. So I mark the pair by sharing also. I have used the sharing also. See this KMap. Now map rolling. No more pairs left, so we will move to map rolling and look for first octet, then quad and pair. There is no octet and no quad, but on map rolling we find a pair, so we mark it. So our new pair is M2 and M10. Now we will check for redundant groups. Looking at the K-map, we can tell pair M5 and M7, M5, M7 is a redundant, as M5 is covered in quad M0, M1, M4, M5, and M7 is covered in pair M7 and M15. So we will remove this redundant pair M5 and M7, and finally we got one quad and two pairs. See on the final K-map in right side. Now after that we have write all the groups, that is quad and pairs, and find the reduced expression. So here the first quad is, the final first quad is M0, M1, M4, M5. First pair is M7 and M15, and second pair is M2 and M10. Now the reduced expression. See the first quad and the maximum expressions, or the first term maximum expressions for M0, M1, M4 and M5. We find that here X and Z variable are changed to X complement and Z complement. So we have to remove the two variable X and Z from the quad, and finally we got the expression W plus Y. Now come to the first pair M7 and M15, and I have to write the max term for them M7 and M15 and ANDed them. Then with this expression we got that W variable changed to W complement. So we remove this W variable, and finally we got X complement, Y complement, X complement plus Y complement plus Z complement. Come to the second pair M2 and M10. I have written the max term for M2 is W plus X plus Y complement plus Z, and for the M10 W complement plus X plus Y complement plus Z. Here we see that W variable, W complement changed to W, so we remove the variable W, and finally we got the expression for the second pair is equal to X plus Y complement plus Z. Now we add, means into the result, and get the final reduced expression F is equal to W plus Y into X complement plus Y complement plus Z complement into X plus Y complement plus Z. This is the final answer. So student, that's all for SOP and POS. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.